Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the last and final installment of our Ooty trip. So I thought, why just show them a vlog? Why not take it through a storytelling process? So we will go through the entire journey that we covered during a duration of 3 days, of which we have already seen day 1 and day 2. So we will cover why we took a certain route, how we went, when did we start. We will go through the details, and in the end you will get to see the vlog of our day 3 or the last and final installment. Do stay tuned till the end because that is going to be the most exciting and the most beautiful part. So starting with December 24, we started from Bangalore exactly at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and we decided to take a taxi. So we had already booked an Innova Krista, which would take us through our entire journey from Bangalore to Ooty and back. So we decided to go through the Bandipur. I'm not sure about the other route, but I can definitely tell you that if you take the Bandipur route, you will never regret it. We reached Ooty by around 2 p.m. that day on 24th of December. It is always preferable to book your hotels beforehand, and in our case we did, because if you reach there and then search for the bookings, then the prices can be a little surged. But if you book it beforehand or if you book it online, then there's a slight chance of you getting discounts. We ended up staying in the Majestic Crown. So because we had booked it beforehand, the prices for it was around 8,000 to 9,000 rupees, which is 4,500 per day. It is a very good hotel. I would suggest that because you can even have your breakfast, lunch and dinner in that hotel. It is not included. The prices are all exclusive, but the food is decent. So as I said, here starts our day 1. Then we checked in the hotel. After that, we took about half an hour of rest and then we decided to go out. So because it was the first day, it was around almost 4 o'clock. You could either roam in the markets like we did. We also went to the boat house, but we chose not to go inside the boat because it would be really tiring for the first day, and we knew that our second day had a lot of activities to do. So the next day we woke up pretty early. 9 to 10 a.m. we started the day, and our first destination was Doda Beta Peak. Again, very beautiful, very scenic. You can definitely check that out. So we were staying in the Ooty town, and from the entire route from our hotel to almost till the Doda Beta Peak, the entire route was covered with pine forests. After which we decided to go on to the tea museum. So again, in the tea museum is a free entry, and they will explain how the tea is made. There is a pre-recorded voice that takes you through the entire pathway, and you can learn and see how the tea is collected, crushed, and the entire journey is followed. There is also a zip lining or a little adventure park that you can go in the tea museum itself in the vicinity. Second, once you're done exploring the tea museum, I think on the top floor you will see the chocolate factory. There is no explanation exactly as such how the chocolate is prepared, but you can take a sneak peek of how the chocolate is made and how it is freezed and all of that stuff. They have a large variety of chocolate, starting from chocolate truffle, caramel chocolate. I have personally tried, and I would suggest if you're going to the tea museum, definitely try out. I think it was the toffee, caramel, toffee and coffee. These are the 3 options that I will highly recommend for you to try out. And if you can, do not depend on the other bakeries in the Ooty town. If you are planning to bring some chocolates back with you, the prices in the Ooty factory are a little surged. I think it would be 100 rupees per 100 gram, but you can definitely try it out. And after that, we went on to the botanical garden. अभी जैसे आपने देखा, अगला डेस्टिनेशन हमारा है बोटानिकल गार्डन। वेदर यहाँ का बहुत प्लेजेंट है। हम लोग सोचे थे कि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होगी और हम सब जैकेट पहन के आए थे, बट गर्मी तो नहीं हो रही है, धूप हो रही है, पर हवा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है। So again the botanical garden is very large spread and it is really beautiful. If you are a plant lover, if you are a flower lover, then you are definitely going to love that place.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight.
Hello. So after covering the content for the 2 vlogs that I have already uploaded on my channel, I'll link it both. I thought, why not change the location and some hairstyle. Okay, so enough of comedy. So after covering the Dodda Betta Peak and the tea museum, we thought why not grab a quick lunch because we all were hungry. And while having lunch, we thought if we have time, if we have a car with us, then why not go to Coonoor right now? Why waste time? And we did not regret that decision. So immediately after having lunch, we decided to move on to Coonoor. तो अभी हमारा चेंज इन प्लान, क्योंकि ऊटी में हमने ऑलमोस्ट सारा जो साइटसिंग था वो कवर कर लिया है, तो हमने सोचा क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करें, और क्योंकि कुन्नूर सिर्फ 45 मिनट्स के दूरी पे ही है, तो क्यों ना कुन्नूर देख के आ जाए। तो अभी हम चले हैं कुन्नूर पे, गाड़ी पीछे वेट कर रहा है और हम अपने रास्ते पे हैं। बीच में एक सुंदर सी वैली दिखी हमको, तो बस वही कैप्चर कर रहे हैं। एंजॉय ऑन द वे टू कुन्नूर। If you are as lucky as us, which I wish you will be, and if you are visiting Coonoor from Ooty during the winter season, you will definitely see it.
2, 1. Are you ready?
The main highlight of our Ooty trip was the route from Ooty till Kunur and back. So the entire road was covered of mist. After that, we decided to move on to the Lamb Rock mountain. So again, because the road was covered with mist, the Lamb Rock mountain was also covered with mist.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
But there was a short area wherein we decided to sit and take a few pictures.
क्या बात है?
There were a few people coming back from the trek. So basically, Lamb Rock mountain, when you start from the place, you will have to take a short trek till you go and see the view of the Lamb Rock mountain, because it was completely covered with mist when we went, and the people coming back suggested us not to go as it was not worth the entire trek. We did not go, and if you go during off season, I would definitely recommend you to take that short trek and check out what was there. And if you did, then do share in the comments below. Now if you ask me about the benefits, then we could cover all the locations that we had to cover in Kunur in one single day, and we did not have to stay there. We did. Now after having covered the Lamb Rock mountain, while we were descending, we saw there was a small tea factory.
ये जरा सा देखिए, देखो मसाला टी, हाँ मतलब टी पाउडर में से इलायची, लौंग, दालचीनी, मरीच, जावित्री जैसा सब मिक्स है टी पाउडर।
तेल बन रही है सर्दी, काशी, बुखार, जुकाम के लिए। विक्स टे, विक्स कैसे लगाने, नाक पे गला वैसा लगा सकते हैं, गर्म पानी में डाल के बाप स्टीम ले सकते हैं।
But when you return to Ooty from Kunur, the view I can never forget. Even if I close my eyes right now, the view comes just in front of my eyes. So how was the view? How did you like it? Pause this video and tell me in the comments now. Okay, so that was the end of our day 2 of the trip. So before ending this video, have you subscribed to my channel? I'm sure you did. Check. अभी check करो. Subscribe किया है?